Hi guys, so konting comparison lang dito sa XKK 170 and RC Era C138. So ito yung ano nya, ito yung RC helicopter, yung dalawa. Ito brushless motor and 3.8 lang yun, 3.8 volts lang siya, pero brushless, malakas. And yung materials niya is mukhang tinipid, medyo soft na flexible na plastic, PVC na medyo soft. So I think it's not that sturdy, but I think it can withstand the crashes naman, in my opinion, kasi I already crashed this once. And ang nangyari, nagkanda, medyo bumuka lang to, tapos na dislocate yung ibang ano niya, yung ibang parts, like etong rear wheel, rear landing gear, medyo na ano lang siya, na dislocate. And eto medyo bumuka kasi medyo flexible lang siya flexible plastic siya soft and thin plastic yung ginamit. Although siguro durable naman, but yun, medyo thin siya, manipis na plastic yung ginamit, pero brushless siya. And then ito yung electronics niya. So yung ano, yung connection, yung connector is the common one, the usual Molex connector, 3.7 volts. Yan, brushless motor. And ito yung XKK 170, or parang ano siya, ano siya, yung model niya is Black Hawk. Pero yung ano niya, yung details niya is ano, very basic lang and simple. Yung mga window niya is naka ano, parang drawing lang. So hindi mo siya actual na, so basic lang. Brushless and 4 bladed. Yan, and of course yung ano niya, rear motor, tail motor. Yan, Black Hawk K170. Ito yun, brushless, 3.8 volts, hindi siya 3.7, 3.8. Then may ano rin siya, parang navigation lights dito, navigation lights sa tail motor niya, sa tail, sa boom. Then ito naman yung RC Era C138, mas malaking bahagya, mas mahaba ng konti. Yan, mas mahaba siya ng konti, bahagya. And then mas mataas. Yan, mas mataas siya, mas mataas, two bladed. And then yung battery niya is very different. So parang ano siya, yung battery niya is how do you call it, proprietary battery, meaning hindi siya universal, talaga exclusive lang siya. Yung design niya is exclusive for this RC helicopter. So you cannot use this for other RC helicopter. Unique siya, proprietary. So that's the, for me, the negative of this. But sa design is perfect, ang ganda ng design. But brush motor siya, two bladed. And then the design is more detailed. Napaka-detail ng design niya. May navigation light din sa kanyang body. Asan yung navigation light niya? I think nandito. Asan yung navigation light? Basta may navigation light to. Ito, design lang to. I think dito sa ano niya, ito yata. Ito yung navigation light niya. Teka, paano ko yung ano, para makita natin yung navigation light niya. Tingnan natin. Papailawin ko siya, i-on ko siya, so that we can be able to, I can be able to show you guys the navigation light ng RC Era C138. So brush motor siya, two bladed, may searchlight, which is nice. And then may navigation light siya. I'll just turn this on para mag-ilaw. Yan, for batteries, for AA batteries. By the way, mga rechargeable yung batteries ko because ayun pala yung navigation light nya. Of course, to bind up down just like this K170. Yan. Kung napansin nyo, steady na yung yung navigation light nya. Ibig sabihin bound na siya, bind na siya dito. So nandito pala yung navigation light nya. Yan, parehas dito may navigation light din dito sa tail. Yung search light nya is may ilaw na rin. I know na to turn off to pero di ko ma-figure out kung saan. So much better yung design nya. Mas intricate yung design nya. Much more detailed. And of course mas maganda yung itsura nya. Mas maganda yung design nya. And a bit bigger and longer kaysa dito sa sa XKK 170. But yung advantage naman netong XKK 170 is this is a brushless motor, much more power and efficient, less noise. Anyway, you can't go wrong naman dito sa dalawang RC helicopter na to. Parehang maganda, parehang may altitude hold. Yan, easy to fly. Especially sa mga gustong matutong magpalipad ng RC helicopter, may na siya, may altitude hold na siya, so it's a bit easier.